From repairs to preventive maintenance to new equipment replacements and installs, we can do it all at Furr Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning. Serving the greater Manassas area, we are your source for premier heating, cooling, and plumbing services of all kinds. Since 1981, we have proudly provided our clients with the best services possible, so you should expect nothing less than the best when we arrive at your home. Furr Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more.